Understanding the phrase, white buffalo, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, white buffalo. This is an interesting phrase with a rich background, and understanding it can really enhance your grasp of English idiomatic expressions. So, let's dive in and find out what white buffalo means in different contexts. White buffalo refers to a buffalo with a white coat, which is extremely rare. This rarity has led to the phrase being used metaphorically in other contexts. In Native American cultures, the white buffalo is considered sacred and symbolizes good fortune and abundance. In everyday English, a white buffalo can mean something that is very rare, almost impossible to find. For example, if someone is looking for a perfect job that meets all their expectations, they might say they are searching for their white buffalo. It's important to note that the phrase carries significant cultural importance. In Native American culture, the white buffalo is revered and holds spiritual significance. It's a symbol of hope, renewal, and prophecy. When using this phrase, being aware of and respectful to its cultural roots is crucial. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, white buffalo, and its various uses in English. It's a fascinating phrase that blends literal meaning with cultural significance and metaphorical use. Remember, learning such phrases not only improves your language skills but also helps you appreciate the cultural depth of the language. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the richness of the English language.